What's up everybody, my name is Quint and this is my 1988 Dodge B250 camper van that we've been rebuilding over the last 9 days. Today is day 10 of the rebuilt series. This is going to be part 3 and the final part, the finishing touches. It's been a stressful journey. I've had a few mental breakdowns rebuilding this thing, but I've also become a lot greater of a person, I believe. I'm pretty excited for this. Hope you guys are excited too, because the next couple days we're going to be finishing this thing up, and once it's done, we are hitting the road and we're traveling all the way across to BC. Let's finish this thing. Let's finish it. Yeah. The roof curve. No. There? No more walls. Right in the middle, working. It just starts absolutely pouring down. Oh, lovely. This is horrible. Oh, surprise, surprise. I can feel Canadian Tire again because I needed more of these. Yay, fits on there like that. The amount of times I've had to come back and forth to Canadian Tire is actually insane. Yay! Battery isolator solved. If I did everything correctly, with this turned off and the battery connected right now, I should not be getting 12-volt power. So hopefully this thing says zeros. Positive and negative. Zeros. Okay. And then, if I turn this on, I should be getting 12 volts. We are. 12.5, 12.6. Okay. Now one more time. Off. And no power. No power. Yes, dude. Yes, 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 yes. Speaker reinstalled. Yeah. Okay, it's time for suppress. You guys ready? Oh yeah, dude. We got turf. It's gonna look so sick. It's gonna be like golf town inside the van. Now day 11 of the rebuild. We're getting there. It's almost there. I keep saying, oh, we're gonna finish this, we're gonna finish this. It does, like, it takes a lot longer than I thought. For the turf walls, because it's just a bunch of cutting and gluing and kind of boring stuff, and I just really want to show you guys the finished product instead of me sitting here doing this, we're just gonna go like this. It might be like 6 o'clock, but dude, check this out. Oh my god. That is hilarious. Check out this electrical work though. Come on, that's clean. I'm gonna finish the walls like right here. There's a lot of dead spots right now. Just gotta get that cleaned up, but what do you guys think, man? Do you like the turf? Now it looks really cool because now all the walls are covered up. Come on! Boom! Cut more. Mounted cabinets. Basically the whole upper side complete. Guten Morgen. It's day 12 of the rebuild. I don't know why I hesitated on that so long. I don't know what else I'd be doing right now. Tomorrow's gonna be rainy again. Again. Past few days have just been super rainy. Anyway, structure day. Let's get it. Because the van is not straight. Curves, everything curves. The accuracy that's going into this. The cut that needed to be made there and everything. I'm just gonna start sanding some screws. This pain. If I wasn't for Chris, I would have been freaking cooked, dude. I would have been on this for hours. Solid as a rock, Marv. And got plenty of room for the seat too. Yeah, it's so close. Morning. It's day 13 of the rebuild. As predicted, we got about today and tomorrow left worth of work, which I predicted it would be about 14 days worth of work.
Why you always lying? Oh my God. Stop lying.
I won't again. Spending more money. How are you, boss? A couple more studs off you. And let's go back to building. We most certainly do. Look at that. Power! Yes. Just need to cut that corner. Ooh! My best cut yet! Gets in there, Lewis. Safe. Okay, just the back, I guess. Seamless. Oh, I am so happy right now. I love it. It's all battery powered, so nothing's running off the battery. I do have the fans going right now because we've been sanding the table down in here, but we got lights! Vibes. Good morning. It is day 14 of the rebuild. We've made it, guys. Coffee and vans.
Still to be happy about.
You're up 2-0.
Job's not finished. Job finished? No, I don't think so.
Come on, Quentin, focus, man. How many times are we gonna do this? I swear I'm at my wit's end with this rebuild. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Finishing touches, finishing touches, finishing touches. Just left the Chris compound. We're hitting the road for the first time. We're fully packed up, but this rebuild video is not done yet. On a serious note though, I am gonna miss Dallas and Chris. That was the place to get that rebuild done, and I'm just super appreciative. I'm super grateful of some really, really good friends, and I'm actually gonna miss them. I was getting used to living at their house, so yeah. Shout out to Chris and Dallas, man. Love you guys, and thank you, seriously, for hosting me and keeping a roof over my head while this roof over my head wasn't ready yet. Thank you guys. Gotta show my parents the van. Go ahead, check her out.
Oh my gosh! Look! Holy crappers!
Come on in.
Wow! Good job, good
Yeah,
deed.
thank you.
Wow.
Oh.
This is funny.
3-burner stovetop.
Nice.
Fan right above the bed.
Yep. Yeah.
Does this open?
Yep.
Beauty. Hoorah. I love this.
Got the new sink, cutting board, sinky, the faucet. Woo! That's gonna be spicy. Look at that. Piped in already. That is freaking sweet, dude. Oh my god. Come on. Guys, this guy works so fast. He's already got everything all hooked up. All the water lines good to go. We're already tied all the way around to the water pump. Now we're just doing the drain. So basically where this hooks up down and over to this, and then it goes right to the gray water tank. This guy's moving. Pump.
A little bit of water, but
Oh, there it goes. Well, here, I guess.
there you go.
Give her somewhere to go. Yeah, it's pumping.
Yes! That's
No leaks?
running water, baby.
Oh yeah, we're cruising. Yeah. That looks pretty good. No drippy drips.
That pump's working great.
Go on, dude, let's fucking go. And just like that, we're off. Joey did that in under an hour, man. We got running water in the van. We got a freaking sink, dude. Come on, come on. Water was a big one. I had no idea how to do that stuff. So, man, what a relief. Oh, thank you, Joe. Thank you, buddy. So I fill the tank up, get the water going. Two issues. A, we're leaking out of this little pipe right here, like ever so slightly, just leaking out of the corner of this thing, like right there. The other problem is on the pipe, I noticed I start running the water really hard and I got a lake at my feet. We didn't notice, but there's a cut in the pipe, basically like right there. I guess when me and Joe were cutting it, we cut the pipe and it just starts pouring out of there when I turn this thing on. So yeah, no more running water until tomorrow when we fix that. Holy smokes, that scared the crap out of me, man. Boy, that is tight. Oh yeah, dude. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of the video here. Really appreciate you guys sticking along for the series of the rebuilds. This is the final part. I have done a few extra little goodies here that I haven't quite showed you since the last time I saw you guys. So I hope you really enjoy these final touches. And I'm very excited to show you guys the brand new interior of the van. Thank you guys so much for watching the rebuild series. I really hope you've enjoyed them. If you haven't watched the old videos, they're right down here. Hit that link. Now we start the Cross Canada road trip and we live in this thing permanently. Hit that like, hit that sub, and I'll see y'all in a week.